This is exactly how you can screen record your iPhone without downloading apps or using a computer, and in 10 seconds. Here we go. First, 10-second on a clock, please. Go to settings, click on control center, scroll down to screen recording, click the green plus logo next to it, scroll down your screen from the top right corner, and right there, this is the logo for screen recording. Boom. If you press it, it will start recording in 3 seconds. If you press and hold, it will also give you the option to screen record and use a microphone. I've tried this myself. Here's a fast review of how it looks like. And right after you finish screen recording, you will get a notification like this. And if you made it this far, you are a champion. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and put them down in the comments. And until next time.